Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to show you how to auto fix white balance in Photoshop in your photos. So before starting guys, if you are new, subscribe and stay connected from anywhere in the world. Okay, let's start. From here I'm unlocking this layer. You have this layer style, I'm crossing this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the image. Convert this layer to smart object. You will see magic now. From here into the filter, go to camera raw filter. From here guys, I'm adjusting this white balance to custom. I'm adjusting this temperature. I am taking the shadows to 19. Like this. And highlights to 68. You can adjust them according to your need. I guess 48 is good for me. So I'm taking the whites 38. You can see guys the magics in your photo. Like this you can add it from here according to your taste. Okay guys, I'm taking it like okay, commit changes. Guys, you can see this. This is before and this is after. You can see the magic. Okay guys, this is all for today. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and stay connected from anywhere in the world. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.